In the last video, we made a cam follower connection in Creo Assembly with these two parts. In this video, we will make two more parts and create a slightly more complex mechanism. The geometry is not that complex, but you can look at the parts and make something similar and follow along. We left off in the last video with only these two parts, and as you can see, we rotate this pin connection, and this part, the follower connection, the follower part is following and sliding along this axis. Regenerate and go back to this position. Now, depending on how you modeled your part, you need an axis in your assembly here to make another pin connection. You can assemble your part. For my part, it's called top part, and you can move it to the position and make a pin connection. Choose this axis and this axis. We want this to not translate in this plane. In the rotation, let's say we want this to be here when we regenerate. Okay. Test your connection and regenerate. Okay. Now we want to connect this slider connection with this top part. So if you think about it, it's a ball connection. When this rotates, the other one is sliding and rotating at the same time. So yeah, maybe rotate this a little bit and make a ball connection. Go ahead and choose new set, ball connection, and choose the points. Hide everything and just the axis and the point. We want to choose this axis and the point for this follower part. This should work. Let me test this. Yes. Same process for the other part. Assemble the part. Follower 2. You can do this slider connection directly. This axis and this axis, and the rotation. Let me see the planes. You don't want this to rotate around this plane, and the connection should be now we want to make the ball connection by choosing not this part, because this comes we assemble this after this. If you choose this one is not here, so we need to choose this part and make a ball connection, a bearing connection I mean, and just choose this axis and this point. This should work. Slider connection and a bearing connection. So these two have slider connection and a bearing connection. This one is only a pin connection and bearing connection for these two. And this has a pin connection and a cam follower connection. Make this part, the follower part, move. And if you check it, this is working smoothly, and you regenerate and go back to this position. And you probably know how to make a motor, so I'm not going to show you. Just let's choose this part, choose motor, angular velocity 360 degrees per second, mechanism something 61 to 8, and just run. And when the running is completed, go ahead and play. Speed up the process, and as you can see, this is our mechanism. Thank you very much, and like and subscribe if you like the video and learned something.